Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Infitech. In this video, we are going to see how to fetch the bank details using IFSC code. So we are going to achieve that using this Razorpay IFSC toolkit. So Razorpay is one of the India's finest payment gateway service provider. So with this IFSC toolkit API, we are going to fetch the bank details using a particular IFSC code. So we are going to query their API with the help of the IFSC code. So we are going to use this URL and pass the IFSC code with Python. So for that we need to install a module pip install this request module. So this request module helps us to make a get request to that API, and in turn that API returns us with the JSON object. So we will be printing out the JSON object with the bank details. So for now let's first import the request module. So because this helps me to send the get request to that Razorpay IFSC toolkit. So now I'm going to specify the URL. So the URL is https://ifsc.razorpay.com/. So make sure you insert this slash at the end, otherwise you might be running out of an error. So and we need the IFSC code. So the IFSC code we will be passing here. So now let's take the IFSC code as the input from the user. IFSC code equal to input. Okay. Let's say enter IFSC code, and now I am going to make a request. So let's say request dot, I'm going to go with the get request. I'm going to pass the entire URL. So the entire URL is URL plus the IFSC code. So the IFSC code gets appended to this URL. So this we are going to fetch the JSON object, and that JSON object we are going to store it in the data variable. So this data variable is nothing but a dictionary. So now I am going to print that data dictionary with the help of the for loop. Let's say where for key comma value in data dot item, since data is a dictionary for us. So now I am going to print key comma value. So yes, that's it. Now so with this we will be able to fetch the bank details with the help of the IFSC code. So first let's test this code. Let's use and run Python file in terminal. So it is asking to enter the IFSC code. So I have an IFSC code in my mind, that is SBIN 00211042. See, as you can see, we have got the bank details, giving the branch name of the branch, center for that branch, district where the bank is present, state of the branch, and address, contact, and all the other details regarding to that particular bank. So now if we use this URL and paste it in the browser, and with this IFSC code at the end, as you can see, this is what we are getting to this data object. So this is how you fetch the bank details using IFSC code with the help of the Razorpay IFSC toolkit very easily. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video.